Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by backing up the file and opening it in your hex editor so you can always recover if needed. Once done, scan the header and file length to orient yourself and switch between hex and ASCII panes to correlate bytes with text. Make sure to enable read-only preview first if available, then open the editable mode when you are ready. This prevents accidental writes and shows byte offsets so you can target specific locations precisely. Now you locate the data to change by searching for a hex pattern or visible string. This narrows the area quickly. Once located, move to the exact offset, select the bytes, and modify them in hex or ASCII. Remember, edits are literal. Also consider endianness and data type sizes so multi-byte values remain valid. Otherwise, you may corrupt checksums or counts. After each change, validate nearby structures and use undo checkpoints if your editor supports them. Finally, save your edits to a new file and verify file size and checksum to ensure no unintended truncation or padding occurred. Then test the modified file in its application. If it behaves correctly, replace the original. If something breaks, restore the backup and inspect adjacent bytes, header fields, and checksums. Often a single wrong nibble causes failure. When stuck, revert to the backup and reproduce the change incrementally.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.